Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sketch grid. A sketch grid is a fantastic tool that helps you achieve accurate proportions and precise placement in your artwork. It works by breaking down your reference image into smaller, more manageable squares, making it easier to transfer details to your drawing surface. This method is incredibly helpful for artists of all skill levels, especially when tackling intricate subjects or portraits. It truly simplifies the entire drawing process, making it less daunting and more enjoyable. First, you will need to prepare your reference image. Print your chosen photo to the exact size you intend to draw it. Then, using a ruler and a fine-tipped pen, carefully draw a grid directly over your printed reference. Make sure your grid lines are perfectly straight and evenly spaced. A common measurement is 1 inch or 2 centimeters for each square. Labeling your rows with numbers and columns with letters will make it much easier to keep track of your progress. Next, it is time to create the grid on your actual drawing surface. Using a very light pencil, such as a 2H or 3H, carefully draw a grid that exactly mirrors the one on your reference photo. Ensure you have the same number of rows and columns, and that each square is scaled appropriately to your desired drawing size. The key here is to draw these lines very lightly, as you will want to erase them later. Precision in measurement is crucial for accuracy. Now for the fun part, sketching. Begin by focusing on just one square on your reference image and its corresponding square on your drawing paper. Draw only the lines and shapes that appear within that specific square. Move systematically across your grid, square by square, paying close attention to how lines intersect the grid boundaries. Once your entire initial sketch is complete and you are happy with the proportions, gently erase your grid lines. You will be left with an accurate and well-proportioned drawing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.